Hi everybody, Ben from Refold here, and I want to show you how to quickly and easily create a new YouTube account for your immersion. So here I am on the YouTube homepage, and you're going to want to go up to the top right where it has your image or your initial or whatever it might be, and then you're going to want to make sure you're an actual YouTube channel, not a YouTube account. This won't change anything about your account except that you can create multiple channels. So you can click on here where it says add channel or become a YouTube channel, whatever it says. But if it already says your channel, then you're good to go. Now you're going to want to click on switch account, and then you're going to want to click on view all channels. This should take you to a page where you see all your various channels. So you see my one here is called Bobby Refold, and I'm going to click on create a channel. And then let's say Bobby Refold is studying Spanish. So I'm going to say Bobby Refold Spanish. I understand. And then I'm going to hit create. And there you go. Now you have a second YouTube account attached to the same email address. This allows you to share YouTube Premium and things like that. You can easily switch between the two by clicking up there, and then on switch account, you can go between your regular YouTube account and your Immersion account, and you can just swap back and forth at any time. Now, we actually want to train your new YouTube account to show you stuff in your target language. So I'm on my Bobby Refold Spanish account. You can tell because it's the orange one up here. So I'll go back to the home page. And now we'll go back up here to the settings again, and I'll change the location to a country that speaks your target language. So in this case, I'll just go with Mexico. The reason we change your location is so that it recommends you videos that are more related to that country. We'll also want to change your language to your target language, because this is the language that YouTube assumes you speak. So I'll find Spanish, Latin America, and now everything should be in your target language. If you ever see a video in your native language or in English, you can always click on these three dots, and this line to the side on the bottom is don't recommend channel or I'm not interested. Either of these will help sort of get rid of the English or whatever your native language is from your account. Now, there's one more thing we want to do is sort of get it started showing you some interesting videos in your target language. Refold has created some things that we call seeder playlists that you can find in the description below this video. We don't have all languages, but we have some of the large ones that are often studied. So I'm going to go to refold.link/Spanish_seeder, and it will take you to a Notion page of all of our different playlists. You can choose any of them, depending on your level or your interests. I'm just going to go with the general seeder playlist to get us started. Just go ahead and click on it. It should open up in a new tab, and then you just get to watch all the videos. That's this button here, or you can click on the ones that you think look the most interesting. As you're going through the videos, make sure to like the ones that you find interesting and skip the ones that you don't like as much. Whenever you find a channel you like, subscribe to that channel, because all these actions will start to train YouTube to show you interesting content in your target language. And that's it. Now you can just sit back and let YouTube do the work and enjoy your target language. Happy immersing!